Hello everyone, welcome to the Idea Sphere channel. Today you will know about how AI was introduced in the Salesforce. People are thinking that the AI is coming in 2024, 25, 20 and now from after watching this video you will get clarity that how is the AI is the innovation in the Salesforce. Basically from the title you also get it Salesforce AI a decade of innovation, not in even days, not in even months, it was an year, not an year, it was a decade of innovation. In Salesforce journey from an AI first vision was a decade ago and developing autonomous agents. This evolution has been derived by commitment by integrating artificial intelligence deploy into every aspects of their platform. Salesforce has consistently pushes the boundaries of possibles, aiming to democratize AI, making its powerful capabilities accessible and actionable for every business users. The strategic focus ensures that companies can use cutting-edge AI technologies to enhance customer experience, streamline operation, and drive growth. Truly embody the spirit of innovation in the heart of Salesforce missions. From vision to reality, that how is the AI was getting come into the Salesforce. It was the year 2014, not 2025-20. It was a 14 when the first time the AI was introduced in a Salesforce. In 2000, the Salesforce declared itself an AI first company, embedding intelligence into every product. In 2016, after the 2 years when the evolution was getting in, Einstein AI engine launches. Yes, it was the first time in 2016 when Einstein AI engine was launched, and AI of non-data sciences to build predictive models without coding. There is a no need of coding in 2016. After almost 2 years, in 2018, Salesforce launches a chatbots and forecasting things like forecasting, predicting the future and future events, the weather about forecasting and prediction builder and integrating into a sales and service cloud. Now Salesforce every day increasing day by day. This was the first journey of the Salesforce. Now at that time 2018, this was the first wave when only the AI first company and the AI Einstein AI was launched and the prediction and chatbots was launched, and this was the first wave of AI. After some time, as the day by day when the AI was getting introduced, now the powering AI as the unified customer. AI thrives into a data recognizing. Salesforce launches Jenny, now data cloud in 2022. 360-degree view, real-time insights, enhanced decision-making processes. The second web AI. Initially, you are seeing that Einstein AI was launches in a three phases, like 2014, and after that 2016 when the Einstein AI was first time introduced by the Salesforce. 2018 when Salesforce announces that chatbots also added into the Einstein AI. It was the second wave when generative AI was coming to the picture. Then what is in generative AI we are considering Einstein Copilot, NLP, NLI, natural language interaction, in which user directly interact with the data and inside everyday languages, no complex languages, integrated ecosystems like seamlessly works across Salesforce apps, Slacks, and Tableau for real-time insights and productivity. After this, there find the third wave. This is the current wave we have, the Agentforce. Autonomous AI in action. Autonomous agents does not just suggest actions, they tag them, functioning as a digital employee. Like now at that time humans are replaced. Launches in 2024, Agentforce Revolution AI by deploying autonomous agents capable of independently handling complex business decisions. Now the replacement of human take place. 24 into operations like AI agents, cross-functional, handles multiple tasks across multiple clouds, customizable. Agents can be tailored or used out of the box, supported by a prompt builder for lifecycle management. Like now the is in the fourth, the future annual. We are considering that currently in 2024 that we are in a 2025 right now. The Agent Force was going in the market in the 2.0. And what is the future? The Salesforce announced Agent Force 2.0, the digital labor platform in which a digital label a new framework for managing AI-driven workforce, enhanced reasoning, more sophisticated AI capabilities for complex problem solving, AI agent marketplace, a hub for sharing, monetizing, and deploying specialized AI agents, multi-agent workflow protocols for seamless collaboration between multiple AI agents. Key insights. What was the if we are democratizing AI for all users, then it must be accessible AI. Salesforce vision from the start that AI for everyone, not just data scientists. Tool like Einstein prediction build empower admins to build AI model without coding. Another one is broader adoption, reducing barrier to AI implementation, accelerate digital transformation across organization. The evolution, how is the from predictive to autonomous? It wasn't not a one-day task. It was like a predictive AI, like an autonomous agent. Predictive AI like Einstein opportunity and providing insights. And whereas autonomous agents like Agentforce makes a paradigmatic shift. All AI take direct action, functioning and digital employees. Building trust and the Einstein trust layer. The Einstein trust layer within an AI cloud addresses critical enterprise concerns like data privacy, compliances, transparency. Embrace the AI future. Stay competitive, boost, productive, and transforming your business to Salesforce AI. Salesforce comprehensive AI strategy from democratized tools to autonomous agents and ethical governance, positioning it as a leader in the AI-driven future. Embrace these innovations to stay relevant and thrive in the evolving workplace. Thank you for watching the video. Now you will get it how is the AI was evaluated in the Salesforce. Not even within it is not a work of even a days, even a months, even a week, years. It was a year of decade from 2014 to 2025, and we are still waiting for Agentforce 2.0. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe my channel.